Hello everyone. There are many advices, questions like, can we shampoo hair daily? Is conditioner worth or not? How many times can we wash our hair? We are going to discuss about these. First, can we wash our hair daily? The answer is, 3 times per week is normal. When you wash daily, natural oil and minerals strip away. The type of hair also plays important role in washing. The curlier your hair, the longer you can go between washes. Wavy hair can go with 3 days per week. Straight hair people can go maximum 2 days without a wash. Let's see which components leads to hair fall. Please try to see the ingredients on the back of the hair products. Do not stop only from seeing the back side of your eatable. Try to follow in all products to check the ingredients, date of manufacture, etc. Sulfate causes dry hair, damage and leads to breakage, and reduces oil and smoothness fades day by day. Silicone clogs up the pores of scalps. Next, to wash your hair, which water to be used? We mean, hot water or cold water? Most preferably, we will go with cold water. If you are not comfortable, then you guys can go with like warm water, but not hot water. Next, how many times can we brush your hair? We think, twice per day is perfect. Next, what is the technique to brush your hair? Brushing from the roots causes damage. Always brush from bottom and work up. When your hair is wet, remember, save your brushing till it dries up, as hair is weak and fragile leads to breakage. This leads to next question. Which is the right brush for you? Bow hair brush is good for people having long thick hair. Nylon hair brush is perfect for medium hair and helps in detangle. Plastic brush is an all-purpose brush but particularly work well for very thick hair. Small toothed comb for short thin hair people. Wide toothed comb for short and thick hair people. Now, let us see how to maintain healthy hair. Your diet should definitely include iron and protein. Doctors suggest 12 mg of iron intake is must. The foods which are rich in iron are leafy vegetables, fish, cereals, chickpeas, etc. Protein sources are dairy products. Dairy product allergy people, be careful. You guys can intake pulses, eggs, fruits. And very important, drink sufficient water. Again, how much can we drink? 8 glasses of water are must. You guys do not need to drink at a time, or even we will not be saying to keep a remainder to drink water, like 2 hours once. You should not drink water by looking at clock. Your body will ask you, then provide water. See, you must be conscious about it. You can see and aware the signal from your body, that is asking for water. And, do not drink water during and 30 minutes after your meals. Try to drink before or 1 hour after, as it might reduce your digestion process. Let us provide your bonus, homemade hair mask which will work perfectly. If you have got dry, frizzy hair, and in always urgent in doing works, this tip is for you. Apply yogurt or curd on your hair for 15 to 20 minutes. Then shampoo and condition your hair. If you have dandruff, then add lemon juice with curd, it works 100%. Even if this is looking like you need to spend 15 minutes, then just drink your curd 1 cup and proceed to your job. Intake is very good as well. But try to condition your hair weekly once. Conditioning might work wonders, but applying oil gives you certain minerals and vitamins. Coconut oil is good, recommended by many doctors and mothers. If you are suffering from hair fall, then olive oil would be a better bet. Olive oil with honey. Massage this paste into your scalp, leave for 15 minutes and wash. Finally, one fact, do you know? Hair grows faster in summer season. The warmer weather boosts the supply of nutrients needed for keratin production. The production of this protein, essential for hair growth, is increased and your locks grow faster. Guys, let us know whether these tips work good to you as well. Thank you for watching our video. Like our video, share this video with your family, friends, and colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for further useful videos.